Hello, it's just a quick video today because I found something curious when I was getting ready for tonight's stream, and I thought I'd share it quickly with you on my second channel. This is one of the machines that Paul Universal Retro Boss sent over for repair, and I quite like this one, so I was drawn to it, and I wanted to have a quick look at it while I was getting ready. I've run out of things to get ready, so I thought I'd fix something instead. And this one appealed to me because it's got this these stickers on the back. This is fair enough. Putting a warranty sticker over a screw is fair enough, and passed soak test and inspection by ES Veron QC department. Your unit has been carefully repaired and calibrated before dispatch to you. However, if you have any queries regarding this unit, please telephone this Veron service centre. I don't know if they're still a current company. Be worth having a look. So that's been initialed as well, quoting the docket's reference number. And the one that really made me laugh is this. They've put a warranty sticker over the expansion port. So they're basically saying, don't you dare plug anything into this or we're not going to cover the warranty. Which seems a bit mean. So anyway, Paul's sticker here says scrolling grey screen, and Paul will test these on RF on a normal television, and he's pretty good at spotting when there's problems. And this one obviously had a grey scrolling screen. I like this, that the Veron must have changed the ribbon. This might be the only repair that this machine's had. And I say that because if I take this out of its case, there's no work been done to this at all. This, apart from a composite mod done by me over here, there's no soldering been done to this since the factory. Oh, there's a couple of pins there that look a bit funky, but the rest of them are all factory. So it's not like they've just taken a bit of one of the memory chips out. But everything else is completely factory. I went through all my normal tests with this, checking all the resistance on the voltage regulator and the lower RAM, the coil, and I checked TR4 and TR5 with the diode check to see if they were functioning as they should be. And it all appeared normal, so I plugged it in after composite modding it, and it just worked. It's kind of strange that they've told the owner of this, you've broken your keyboard membrane, we've replaced it, but do not plug anything into this computer, otherwise we will not cover you on our warranty. But yeah, it all works. I'm not even going to recap this one because they're just working, and if they're all just working, then I don't really see the point in recapping it. Nice little machine, this one. Anyway, I thought that was funny. Well, I'm not sure how you get that in. Oh. Must have the hands like a sparrow's claws.